Hello everyone, this is Ashrit from Learn Digital Academy. So in this session, we will discuss on InDesign. So what is InDesign? What is the use of InDesign and all we will discuss. So now you can see a welcome screen of InDesign. So in welcome screen, you can observe this all our recent used work file. If you want to open it and if you want to work on it again, so you can use these things. So here you can see a complete interface of InDesign. InDesign is basically for text, purely into text. InDesign is known as desktop publication software. So moreover, in this we are discussing maximum thing which are related to text, headers, footers, how to create a page numbers, how to create your ebooks, PDF books and all. So how to create a new file. So in the left side here you can observe. So create new option is there. So as it is also a product of Adobe. So all Adobe product have same interface kind of thing. So in the top you can observe menu bars. In the left hand side home button. And of course this is a icon, your InDesign icon. So create new and open option. So you can use this create new button to create a new file. So otherwise in the top we have an option to create a file. You can use that file option also. So let's click on create. So now you can see a new document window over here. So new document window. So here also we have a different types of sizes. So recently used sizes in recent window you can see. So these are all my recent used sizes. So if you want to use the same thing, so again and again you can save the custom sizes. So here I saved one preset, so because it's a default preset, so you can use this as your saved layout. So compared to all other softwares, here we don't have much more preset setting options. Here we have only three things. So one is for print, of course it's a desktop publication and it's a print media. So here you can see the print sizes, default print sizes. So letter, legal, tabloid, letter of, A3, A4, A5, legal of, B5, US business card size, so compact disc. So each and individual things are our print sizes. So if you want to use this, just click, you can observe whatever size you are selecting, it is highlighted with the blue color outline. So then in the top web interface, so the web sizes, so 800 into 600 pixels, it's a normal size. So then letter size, so again A4, 600 into 300. So lot more preset sizes we have. So you can use any of these preset sizes. You can observe here 1280 into 800 pixels is there. So 1240 into 620 pixels is there. According to the website platform where you are designing your website. So for that interface, you can use your web option. So whenever you want to create a web things, you can use this web preset sizes. So this web preset sizes, you can observe it stands in the unit of pixels. So if it is a print, you can observe it is in a picas. So PICAS. So you can change this to anything. So if you want to showcase in inches, you can change it to inches also. So then the third one and the last one is mobile size. So click on mobile. So mobile devices size, we have a lot more preset you can observe. So iPhone X, iPhone 8, 7.6 plus iPhone 8, 7.6. So different screen resolution we have. So you can use any of the size. So because these all are a standard screen resolutions and standard screen sizes. So whichever size you need, you can go with the things. These all are complete standard sizes. You can use any of these things. So for example, I want to use iPad size. So 1024 into 768 pixels. This is my selected. So in the right hand side, you have an option. So 1024 pixels into 768 pixels. So orientation, landscape orientation you need or portrait orientation you need, you can check. So it will interchange with both the things. So it will swap between width to height, height to width. So you can change whatever things you need. So you can change the units also. So number of pages, one, currently I'm using only one page. So then number of page 1. So then start page number with the 1. Yes, I need to start my page with the 1. So then column 1, column getter 12. So margins are there, bleeds are there. So we'll discuss that later. So then just click on create. So it will take some time to load. So after creating, you can see one white color empty book over here, empty document over here. This is my working area. This is the working area of preset mobile device size. So you can create in this method. So then if you want to create a custom size, so here you can observe only one page I have. So I want multiple pages. I want to create my custom size. How to create? So we have an option for that also. So file, new, document. So use document only. In document only, we can create multiple pages. So whatever size, whatever project name you need, just give a project name. For example, book. So I need a size of print. So print off of the A4 size is A5 size. You can go with the A5 size. The measurement you need, I need to check with inches. So you can observe 5.8 inch by 8.2 inch. So then number of pages. For example, I need around 5 pages. So facing page, yes. So facing page is on. So just keep a look into that. So later I will show you what is the difference between facing page on, facing page off. So then start with the page number 1. So column 1, getter 1. So just create. So now again you can see only one page, right? But where is other pages? Just scroll down. You can observe it's like a book. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So pages you can observe. So then facing page, what is facing page? Here you can observe the facing page stands with only single one. So there is no left hand side. Left page is not there. So let's turn off the facing page and create one book. So let's see how it will work. So for example, I don't want to use a facing page. Turn off the facing page. So I'm changing it to number 6. So whatever page numbers you need, you can apply. So create. So you can observe. So without facing page, you will get only single pages. So there is no left hand side or right hand side. Only single page you will get. So when you turned off your facing page. So only one side you can see. There is no left hand side or there is no right hand side. So in this one, so you can observe what is facing page. Side by side, you will get a facing options. So like a book. So you can use facing page if you want. If you don't want, you can turn off your facing page option. So I don't want to work with this file. So just close it. So here you have an option to close it. So here you have an option to close it. So here you can observe by default we are getting a margins over here. So when we creating our new file, so you can observe we are option called margins. So margin, so column getter, so on margin. So 3 pixels, 3 pixels, 3 pixels, 3 pixels. So if you want to change the margin, I don't want this much thickness. I need a small amount of margin. So just add 1. So automatically it will take to all 4s. So that means it is connected with top, bottom, left, right. So if you click on 1, so if you click on other, automatically it will changes to 1 pixel. So just create it. So now you can see the margin is less. So 1 pix margin is there. So in this file, you can observe the margin is 3 pix. So you can play with your margin. Also margins are important. So because whatever designs we are doing, it is purely for text alignment and printing purpose only. So always use margins. So this is how you need to create a InDesign file or InDesign document, single page document or multiple page document. So I hope the session was informative. We'll catch up in the next session.